Assalamu alaikum students. In today's EVS lesson, we will learn about places in our neighborhood. Let's look important places in our neighborhood. Park. We go to the park to play and get enjoyment and lots of fun. Hospital. We go to the hospital when we are sick. Market. We go to the market to buy things. There are many shops in the market that we need in daily use. Police station. We off to the police station to ask for help when we are in trouble. Medical shop. We go to the medical shop to buy medicines when we are sick. Restaurant. We go to the restaurant when we want to eat out. Bank. Our parents go to the bank to keep money there or to take it out. Review. Park. P-A-R-K. Park. Market. M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. Police station. P-O-L-I-C-E. Police. S-T-A-T-I-O-N. Station. Police station. H-O-S-P-I-T-A-L. Hospital. M-E-D-I-C-A-L. Medical. S-H-O-P. Shop. Medical shop. R-E-S-T-A-U-R-A-N-T. Restaurant. B-A-N-K. Bank. Let's see how to do worksheets. Food. Where from we get food? We can get food from restaurant. So we have to match the food to the restaurant. Now see, next is medicines. Where from we buy medicines? To the medical shop. We have to match medicine to the medical shop. Now next picture is the vegetables and fruits. Where from we buy the vegetables and fruit? Yes, from market. We have to match the vegetables and fruits to the market. Now next picture is slide. Where we have seen slides? Yes, we have seen slide in the park. So we have to match the slide to the park. Next worksheet. Match the pupils to places. First picture is doctor. Where we have seen the doctors? Yes, in the hospital. We have matched the doctor to the hospital. Now next is chef. Where chef is working? Yes, chef is working in the restaurant. We have to match chef with the restaurant. Now see, next is policeman. In which place we have seen police? Yes, in the police station. So we have to match the police to the police station. Now let's see, next is boy with his football. Where he will play? Yes, he will play in the playground. So we have to match boy to playground. Now see, worksheet number 3. First picture is bank. We match this to spelling of bank. What is the spelling of bank? B-A-N-K, bank. So we have to match bank. Next picture is park. What is the spelling of park? P-A-R-K, park. We have to match with this spelling. Now see, next is market. See, spelling of market is M-A-R-K-E-T. Market. We have to match with this spelling. Now see, next is police station. Spelling of police station is P-O-L-I-C-E, police, S-T-A-T-I-O-N, station. Now we have to match this spelling to police station. Okay. I hope you all understood the lesson, but you have to practice all these with your parents. Allah Hafiz.